Today we will be burping in every room in the house. Well, you gotta film me now. Alright, let's move on. Ow, I hit my elbow. Thank you for that. Let's move on.
There we go.
Okay, turned on the fan. Wait, there's one more room. Yak. That's beautiful. Almost the last room of the day. I feel like you're gonna yak. I feel like I'm gonna yak. My stomach is gonna hurt so bad.
Come on. We're slowing this team down. Come on, Josh. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Josh.
Okay.
Okay, that's the closest we're gonna get. Welcome to my room. You saw it. Okay. The final room?
There are actually 2 rooms in here.
Oh.
My stomach hurts. This is gonna be a bad day.
Shut up. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Okay, I have to.
Come on, Josh. Okay. Okay, come on. For the last try.
I'm done.
Okay,
I-
one more room.
If I do any more than this last one, I'm gonna yak. Finish off the day with a banger.
Come on, Josh. One last time, and then we're done. Come on. Okay, that's it, Josh. Okay, Josh, let him all leave. Josh, it's over. It's over, buddy. Buddy, give up.
Alright.
It's over. Okay, you did it. Okay.
There.
Bye.
Well, that's the end of our wonderful content here. Subscribe and like the video. Okay. And we'll see you all next year when we upload next.